नोव्हेंबर डिसेंबर म्हणल्यार गोंयांत म्युझिक फेस्टिवलांचे म्हयने. पूण सनबर्न ईडीएम सारकेलो म्युझिक फेस्टिवल अंदू मुंबय म्हूण जाहीर जालो. म्हूण इव्हेंट प्रोडक्शन एजन्सींक गोंयांत म्युझिक फेस्टिवल घडोवन हाडपा खातीर गोंय पर्यटन खात्यान एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंट्रस्ट फ्लोट केला. गोंयांत मेगा म्युझिक फेस्टिवल घडोवन हाडपाक सगळ्या इव्हेंट प्रोडक्शन एजन्सींक खातीर हें एक आपोवणें. वेंचून आयिल्ले एजन्सीक राज्याचेर आर्थीक भार पडूंक दिनासतना हो म्युझिक फेस्टिवल घडोवन हाडचो पडटलो. पावणी सबमीट करपाक निमणी तारीख 8 ऑक्टोबराची दिल्या. मजगतीं गोंयांत म्युझिक फेस्टिवल हाडपाच्या प्लानाचेर विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरीचो सरकाराचेर फार.
It is shocking on the news that the Goa government is planning to have yet another mega musical festival, or I could say drug festival. And Goa Tourism Development Corporation has floated an expression of interest, basically stating that there would be no burden on the state. The biggest burden that these type of drug festivals create on the state of Goa is the bad reputation brought to the state of Goa. Today, the state of Goa is the drug capital in the country. Drugs being sold in practically every villages, every beach, everywhere you can find drugs. Today, I fail to understand why the BJP is bent or is hell bent to make Goa the drug capital of the country. In the past, there were several deaths that showed that there was clear use of drugs at the venues for these festivals. And is this our culture? Is this the culture of the state of Goa? I fail to understand that these festivals basically make the youth futureless, cultureless, and valueless. Is this what we are teaching our future generation? Today, I condemn this particular festival. Instead of these, we could have festivals promoting our culture. Several musicians, several people, तियात्र जे पडे आहाय तेंगेले सारखे पयशे ह्या सरकाराक दम ना दिवपाक. पूण हे ड्रग फेस्टिवल हाडून हेजे पयले जे पडे सगळे म्युझिक फेस्टिवल जाले, जे ईडीएम जाले, it is only a money making racket. Drugs are consumed in thousands of crores of rupees here at these venues. It is proved. Today, the government does not have the mechanism to basically control the drug menace in the state. Such festivals, the police department has failed, or I should say today, that this government is hell-bent to get the drug mafia in the state of Goa that is operating, fully giving them all what they need is the people that come here from other places all around the world, and drug is being heavily consumed. This is not just a normal music festival. This is a drug festival that happens, and we condemn this and we will oppose this decision by the state government.
Bureau Report, Prudent.